Fuck it, intro. I'm gonna show you how to make 100. Let's go. All right. First thing you want to do is go to pump.fun. Right away, you're gonna see at the top it says start new coin. Click on that bad boy right there. Then you're gonna want to find a name. So you need a narrative now. You want people to buy this, right? You don't want to just have a coin drop and then have no one buy it because that shit's sad. So let's go find some narrative, right? We're on TikTok. We see this cute little mouse, whatever this thing is. I don't know if it's a rat, it's a mouse. We're gonna click Windows Shift S. Go ahead and take a nice screenshot of that. Now keep in mind, guys, you always want a square picture, guys. If it's not a square picture, that shit will not send. It's gonna look scammy, unprofessional, and whack. So make sure that shit's a square. After that, oops, let's do it one more time right here. All right, make sure it's a square. Boom, bam. Now we got it. We gotta click the save button. We save that right there. Go back to Pump Fun. Name it Rat, whatever you want. I'm gonna name it Rat. The ticker's gonna be Rat, and then the bio's gonna be the Rat from TikTok. Boom. Now you're gonna take the rat picture. We're gonna go ahead and find that rat picture, guys, and it's as easy as this. So don't over stress this, guys. It's very easy. We put the rat right there. We want to put the website. We're gonna take what you always want, a website or something, guys, even if it's like there's nothing correlated to it. Just put a website. I'm just gonna put the TikTok link in there. And then you want to have your Phantom wallet connected in the top right here, guys. Make sure you have money on it. Make sure it's the right wallet connected. Go ahead and click create coin. So for this right here, guys, you're gonna need a 0.1 minimum. Otherwise, I wouldn't even bother creating a coin. 0.1 is the minimum. If you're worried about losing your funds, guys, you're the first buyer in, so you're gonna be always break even. There is some cases where you'll lose a couple of dollars max, but if you're scared to lose a couple of dollars, then get the hell off this video. All right. So now we can go ahead and put a 1.15 SOL in. It's just to test the waters, and then we go ahead and click the confirm, and it should be all juicy and ready to go, guys. Now we gotta wait for the. Now once it's launched, we're gonna wait for the fish to bite. As you can see, there is people buying in, people selling on me. It is what it is. The best case narrative, guys, is you get a lot of comments on your threads like this. This is what you want. The more comments, the more engagement, guys, is what's gonna make your coin become more powerful. So make sure you tell your community, tell your friends to comment on it, and make sure you have a good narrative. Otherwise, people will not buy it. As you can see right now, the narrative is absolutely, as you can see right now, the narrative is not from this rat right now. TikTok is not the narrative right now, so obviously no one's gonna buy it. But making a coin is as easy as that. And if you wanted to sell it, I could sell it for basically exactly what I put in. Just click the sell button, you should be good to go. So from this video, guys, keep in mind, you want to have square picture, you always want to add a website, and you got to find a good meta to follow, guys. You should be profitable doing this if you follow the metas. It's very simple, it's very easy. As you can see, it took me literally 30 seconds, so you could do this too, guys. Let's go. If you want more tips and tricks, hit that subscribe button. We're going to be posting a lot more on here. If you want to be part of my community, the Discord link is in bio. All my links are in the bio. If you want to be a part of my community, go ahead and join up. Peace.